So, welcome back. Basically, I created a couple of Affinity from Photo GPT, custom GPT. This tool, I know it's pretty weird. Welcome back. I'm Emanuele, and I am an academic teacher from Milan, Italy. Welcome to my channel. So, what does this couple of Affinity from Photo does? Well, it analyzes photo of couples to infer romantic compatibility. So you can upload a photo or two pictures, and understand the compatibility. And it's pretty weird, but actually it works very good. So let me show you how does this GPT, custom GPT works. So I can upload a pic from my downloads, let's say these pictures. And the first thing that is going to do is to ask for the language, because I would like that everything works in an international view. So I will write down, I want the answer in English, and it's working. It's analyzing the posture, the proxemic, the smile, everything, how close they are, you know, and you know it shows the compatibility. Analysis of photograph of serving it deduces that you two are a dynamic duo. Wow, the smiles are genuine, the eyes are bright, body language speaks volumes, and there's happiness, and you have potential for something long lasting. Even the best regime need work, obviously. And then there is a sort of table based on what the GPT analyzed and what the picture says. And there is level of mutual attraction, for instance, is 9 out of 10. The aesthetic compatibility, the age difference, virtually unnoticeable. Complementary ages. It looks like complementary, yeah. The stability, the sexual affinity, high potential, visibility, chemistry. So the final thoughts, and this couple exudes a powerful combination of happiness, mutual attraction. I know it's a stock photo, so it's obvious, and strong emotional intimacy. So I did it with a stock photo, but I can assure you that if you upload your own photo, if you just take a photo of you and your girlfriend or boyfriend, it doesn't matter, the results are much more realistic. So if I want a detailed report, so this was a first screenshot of what the couple says in the picture, but I can obtain another picture, another big picture with the analysis of posture and prosemics, the facial expressions, microexpression, body language, emotional analysis, symbolism, and hidden meanings. So at this point, in this second step, everything looks much more detailed. So if you want a new report, so about everything that nonverbal language speaks, so just type OK. So this is the results, and it's much more detailed, a much more detailed report about the symbolism, and everything's back is in the back of the picture. So I think it's pretty nice. See this as a game. Okay, it's just a game, but a game where behind there is an expert about nonverbal mechanics, about nonverbal affinity, about communication, relationship, and much more. So I created this GPT. It's available. See the look. Have a look at the link in description, and I hope this may help. Maybe just for fun. Maybe if you want to know something more about future couple. So this is the result. I think it's pretty amazing, and I wanted to share with you this tool I just created. So have fun. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.